What's going on, guys? It's been a while. Today we are doing one thing that I've wanted to do since I've gotten the Forester, which is replace the clock. On this one, they always fry out. I think it's the soldered connections internally that go bad. I bought this one off of eBay from some guy that refurbishes them, so let's see if it actually works. So taking the clock out is actually super easy. Just get like a flathead or a trim tool piece. You'll notice there's two spaces right there and right there. Just get your flat tool, cram it in there, pop it right out like that. So once you undo the harness, you just pop that out, and then these spots on the sides, you get a flathead, knife, something just to pry it out a little bit so you're able to pull that past. Just like that, the refurbished one is in place. Let's plug it in, see if it actually works or if I got fucked. All right, so moment of truth. Gonna key on and see if that thing lights up. If I can find the hole. Oh, fuck yeah. Look at that. Okay, let's set it and forget it. There we have it, folks. Success. Alright guys, so that's it for the daily Forester install. Next thing, I got new headlights and fog lights. Going to be putting those in. I would do them today, but it's like 10 degrees and I'm not really about that life. Next thing after that, I'm actually pretty excited. We are going to be putting stock Forester suspension back under this thing, along with maybe a 2-inch lift. We'll see how that goes. Still doing a little bit of research on which one I want to go with. So after I make that decision, I'll go over why I went that direction and go over the pros and cons, also how much it costs. But yeah, thanks for watching this short one, and like, comment, subscribe for more. Bye.